that was a very wobbly wheelie. Yeah, so today's video, the theme is everything I own is slightly broken, including the Duke 390. I think it's just the relay for the fuel pump, because when I went to start it, it did not prime and it just cranked, and then it did prime, and then it started. So hopefully it's just wiring. Probably shouldn't be riding it if the fuel pump is potentially not gonna work, but I don't know. I guess I just wanted to see what would happen. It seems fine so far. I was really hoping it would just clear the code after like a couple miles. Pro tip, if you're trying to do coasters or you're pulling your clutch in at all during a wheelie, be careful doing it on bumpy roads. That's how you either loop, or usually you just mousetrap, because your wheel bounces, you have the clutch in, you tap the brake, wheel hits the ground again, and you just get launched. But yeah, so fuel pump or wiring or fuel pump relay might be slightly broken on this. I guess my other bikes aren't like too broken. My Tenere is just random stuff like turn signals. My 450, actually maybe nothing's broken on my 450. My GoPro, the microphone is a little messed up, so usually when I turn my head like to the left, I think it is, it will make a horrible static sound if it's not already doing it this whole time. But yeah, I don't know. I was literally riding this thing last night in a parking lot, just practicing some wheelies real quick, and it was totally fine. Didn't do anything weird. Went to start it this morning, and not so much. I think this is basically the exact same route that I went on my first video I made on this bike. Wasn't nearly far enough back to pull that clutch in. But yeah, it seems to be running fine, so I'm assuming that it's just the lack of fuel pressure when it tried to start triggered the check engine light, and it just won't go away now. I don't know. But yeah, has anyone else ever had that happen? Is it just a fuel pump or a relay or wiring? What are you doing? Are you kidding me? That guy is, I hope he's drunk, or he's, wow, okay. Well, that was interesting. Yet I'm the danger doing wheelies on public roads. That guy though, totally fine. Crazy. Oh, another thing on the Duke that I'm not, I mean, it's, I don't know, it's my fault, or it's not my fault, but the handbrake might be dragging a little bit. But yeah, the handbrake is like, or actually both brakes, even if I haven't been using them, after riding, if I feel the calipers, they're kind of warm. I tried to align the handbrake caliper a little better, but it kind of is what it is. There's not much adjustment there. Yeah, right-hand turns definitely not happening. Forgot what I was talking about earlier, but basically I kind of suck on the Duke again because I just haven't been doing much on it as far as wheelies when I have been riding it. So but the parking lot that I used to use all the time, there's a chance that might be able to start going back there at night and on the weekends. So if that's the case, that'll be pretty huge. And hopefully my Duke's not broken. I mean, I've probably gone like 20 miles now and it seems to be running totally fine. Well, I mean, it seems to be running like it has been. I think I've done about 10 knee knockers in the entire time I've owned this bike on it, so that was actually a pretty good knee knocker for me. So that's probably going to be it for this video. Just a quick ride on the Duke to see if this check engine light would just go away on its own, but it has not. So I don't know, like if I shut the bike off and like cycle the ignition, sometimes the fuel pump will not prime when like it should prime every time, as far as I know, when you cycle the ignition. And if you keep doing it, eventually it'll prime. So it's definitely supposed to be priming every time, but it doesn't. But it'll still start sometimes even when it doesn't prime, I guess because there's still fuel pressure from when it was just running until it sits. I don't know. Hopefully I can hear the relay, I swear, clicking even when it doesn't prime, but I don't know. So maybe that means it is the fuel pump, but you would think if that was the case that I should be having some kind of issues like right now while I'm riding. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be pretty much it for now. Dang, can't do coasters very well anymore.